T-Padit is made from a 1/4 inch of durable silicone rubber and is designed to minimize the size of your pressing area when heat transferring. This tool is a must-have to work around garments with buttons and/or seams. The T-Padit comes in a set of 5, each in a different size: 3 1/4 by 3 1/4 inches, 5 by 5 inches, 8 by 10.5 inches, 13 by 15.5 inches, and 4 by 17 inches. When using, make sure you straighten out any folds before pressing. We also recommend the use of a pro-grade non-stick sheet to protect your heat press, garment, and transfer. When you're done, simply take the T-Padit away from your garment. Whether pressing chest logos or large designs, the T-Padit can accommodate to your needs. The T-Padit is available at heatpressnation.com.